Hey home and garden friends, how are you? You may be wondering why I'm sitting on the floor, and that's because our living room is getting a colonial country house upgrade. I want to show you a snippet of that, a snippet of the cottage garden project while this cake is in the oven, the southern pecan honey bun cake. You don't want to miss this one. While that's baking, I wanted to share with you some of the home and outdoor projects that we have going on. I really want to go room by room and not completely change it. For lots of reasons, I just want to leave it like it has always been. But I have been obsessed with colonial America since I was in my 20s. I have this beautiful blue and white platter that my Grammy gave me. She knew how I love that era, and she bought me this plate, and it has like the scene of the Declaration of Independence. I was like 21. Like, how many 21-year-olds do you know that are wanting the Declaration of Independence? It wasn't a perfect time. The people weren't perfect, but there's so much wisdom and knowledge. The people, the forefathers, how they set up the government, blah, blah, blah. I could talk for hours about it. The architecture and the simplicity in their style of their homes. You probably are familiar with colonial style and you don't even know it. Raised paneling, certain kind of moldings. That is an era that my son was also very enamored with. The government, the style, the militia, all the things. So it's super special now because I feel even more connected. So in working on this room, what I wanted to do was paint the ceilings and all the trim in the same color. But when I went to do this around here, it looks almost gray. So I've got to get in here and put a little bit of the gray on the wall and see if there's enough of a difference or if I'm gonna have to go back in and get a brighter white. I'm hoping to just kind of have a before and after so you can see. So let's move outside and let's get to work out there for just a few minutes until I gotta take this thing out the oven. Planted, and I also have some flowers that I bought that have been in pots for like 3 weeks, and I really need to get those planted as well. This is going to be a super quick, low-key situation because I got to get back inside. So believe it or not, these potted plants that I just put in, that blew my mind, are the same as these right here. It's just, I promise you, because they have been in the pot. They are drought resistant, which means once they get established in there, they have a couple weeks, then they're gonna start flushing out like this. This is the rock star that I keep talking about. These true blue, beautiful flowers, so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this, and for more country style living, home and garden inspiration, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. Love y'all. Thanks for being here.